Hello guys, good evening everyone. My name is Gyanan from English with Village Vlog. Guys, today I am going to tell you one sad story. You must watch this video till the end so that you can get to know lots of thing about the love and the life. Because in this story you are going to cry. So watch this video till the end. So guys, this story is about a boy named Karan who was working in a police department. He lived with his father. One day, when Karan was going to police station, on the way he saw two boys teasing a girl. So in order to save that girl, Karan went there and said to those boys, leave that girl. But those boys said, hey mister, just bugger off from here. Otherwise I will kill you and I will beat you brutally. But Karan didn't get scared. He took out his gun and he pointed on them and he said, I'm going to shoot you if you don't leave this girl. Then from behind two more people came and they hit Karan from behind with his stick. Karan collapsed. Anyhow, Karan stood up and he beat those boys brutally, and they were beaten brutally by Karan. One of those boys said to Karan, I will take revenge on you. I will spoil your life. But Karan didn't pay attention what they said. Here, girl, she got happy. She said thank you to Karan, and also she told that my name is Kajal. I am the daughter of police man. My father's name is Abhishek. As soon as Karan heard her father's name, he said, yes, I know your father. Oh, he is a great policeman. Kajal said, yes. Then Kajal said to Karan, can we become friends? Then Karan agreed and they both became good friends. And since then, they both started meeting each other bank of the river in the evening. One day, Kajal went to her father and she revealed about her love. She said to her dad, Dad, I love a boy who works in your police department. His name is Karan. Her father said, okay, he's good boy. So her father agreed and he said, okay, you can call him. I'm going to fix your marriage. Then Kajal got over the moon. Next day she went to Karan and she said, Karan, today I'm going to tell you one good news. Actually, my father, he agreed and he is going to fix our marriage. So Karan also got happy. They both became over the moon. And next day, Karan went to Kajal's home along with his dad, and there they exchanged each other ring. They put on ring to each other and they became very good. They became very happy. After that, those four goons, they were so much worried that how come this policeman Karan is like spoiling our life like gradually. We should not leave him. Then they four goons, they went to Karan's home, and that time Karan was not at his home, only his father was at home. After that, those four goons killed his father by stabbing knife and they ran away from there. After some time, when Karan came to his home, he found his dad dead and he cried a lot. He was totally shocked. How come my dad is dead? Who killed my dad? The question arose over there. Anyhow, his father was cremated and Kajal, she also came. She was too much sad. After 2 days, when Karan was sitting on the bank of river in the evening, he got a call and someone told him that, okay, if you want to know the killer of your dad, so please come to this address. As soon as Karan heard this, Karan said, okay, wait, I'm just coming. Then Karan hung up the call and he went to that location. Karan was unaware of the fact that the call he received was from none other than those uh, goons, because it was their plan, and those goons, they killed a boy in order to trap Karan, and also they called police that yes, please come here, one uh, please come here, and Karan is killing someone. And then Karan reached there and he found a boy, and he found a boy dead, and he came there and he went to that boy and he took out that knife from him, and that knife was in a pool of blood. And at the same time police also came and they found Karan holding that knife which was in a pool of blood. Then police arrested Karan and Karan was suspended. The situation was very critical. Karan lost his father, Karan lost his job, and everything went from him. After that, people started calling Karan killer. Then one day, when Karan was sitting on the bank of river in the evening, Kajal's father went there and he said to Karan, Karan, I think you are a great person, so you should not spoil my daughter's life, because we can't stop people calling you killer. So I don't want my daughter uh, get married to any killer. I know you are not killer, but people are calling you killer. So you are such a magnanimous person, so you can understand. Then Karan said, yes, I can understand. Then Karan uh, took off that ring and gave to Kajal's dad. And then Kajal's father, he went from there. After that, Kajal's father went to his daughter and he said, Kajal, take it, this ring. I have taken this ring from him, from Karan, because now he doesn't deserve to get married to you. As soon as Kajal heard, she started crying. She said, why dad? Why did you do so? No, no, no. I can't live without him. I will marry. But her dad said, have you gone mad? Now he doesn't have anything. Okay, yesterday he had job, family and respect. But today he has become a killer. So you should not run after him. You should leave him forever. But Kajal didn't agree. But her father like closed her in the room. Anyhow, in the evening, she managed to came out of the room and she went to Karan, and she said, Karan, why did you do this? I'm not going to live without you. But Karan said, no. Now I think I don't deserve for you. So you have to marry. Uh, you have to marry with someone. I can't do anything because now my life is totally pathetic. So I want you to get married to someone. Your dad is great. If I were at your dad's place, I would also do the same. Please, just go from here. I will not marry you. Now I don't have anything. Then Karan started going from there, but Kajal said, I will not marry. I will not marry anyone. I will wait for you. And but Karan didn't turn around. Saying this, Karan went to his home and he slept. On the other hand, those four goons, they were so much happy over the moon that, see, today we spoiled Karan's life. But one of the goons said, no, we can't be happy until we kill Karan. So let's go tonight and kill Karan. Both, like all of them agreed and they went to Karan's home. They found Karan sleeping. They tied Karan to his cot, and after that they sprinkle kerosene oil on him at his home also. All of a sudden, Karan woke up and he found himself tied to cot, and also he saw those same goons laughing around him, and they said to Karan, ha ha ha, see, I have spoiled your life. Now you don't have girlfriend, you don't have your family, you don't have job, and respect. You don't have anything. We have made you disabled, and today we are going to snatch your soul from you. So, mister, you were that day you beat us brutally, and I told you that I will spoil your life. So, today that day has come. So, get ready to kill, to be killed by us. Then they lit, after that they lit the matchbox and they threw that stick, burning stick at his home, and Karan's home started burning, also Karan. And after that those goons ran away from there. Like, after that this news came to Kajal's father, so also reached there, and he saw Karan's house burning, and he felt so much sad that, see, the boy who was such a great and he was happy in his life, he has lost his everything. Today he has lost his life as well. After that, his Kajal's father went to Kajal's and he said to Kajal, now you don't need to wait for Karan because now he is no more. Now today I saw him burning along with house. So please stop waiting for him and uh, get ready to get married to another guy. But here, Karan anyhow managed to save himself, and he took a pledge that I will kill those four goons anyhow. Nobody knows that I'm alive still. Then Karan, in order to hide himself, he disguised himself, and he never uh, he left that city there. So guys, it was a story. If you want to listen this story further, please comment me. I will make this story further definitely. And I must I must say that you must have learned so many things from this story. If you like this video, please subscribe. Of course, I am here to make you fluent in English. Bye.